Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this foot massager. This thing's pretty cool. You actually have a remote to be able to use, and you can touch it right here. So if you don't want to reach all the way down, you've got that. And it's got 29 different massage balls in there, 3 different modes, 3 intensities. You've got heating, and this all comes off so you can easily wash this because you are just going to be putting your feet in there. Plugs right into a standard 110 outlet, but let's put this thing to the test. It's going to slide my little piggies in there, and like I said, it holds up to size 13 feet. Mine, I have like almost size 11 right here, and I've got plenty of room back there, so that is really nice. And just using the remote, simply kicks on, and then it has all these different airbags as well. They've got 6 different airbags that just kind of squeeze you on your feet, make it feel real nice. And with the different modes, you can actually have different compressions and kneading, massaging, and everything on there, along with the intensity. So that's really nice that you can control all that. But turn on the heating because my feet are always freezing. And this feels fantastic. I mean, you can see it kind of squeezing in on my feet. And then I'll turn it off here for a second or get my feet out so you can actually see this thing working because it does feel really good. And it's hitting my entire feet. Like I can actually feel it all the way up on my toes, around the backs of my ankles. I mean, everything. And it's got my feet in there pretty good. Let me turn that off so you can actually come in here and see the actual nodes working here. So you're gonna come in here close, I'm gonna turn this on and you can see all of the little guys working. So you can see all these little guys working down in there. I mean, that is really nice. When we turn on the heat, all the different balls, the air is coming in on the sides, and it just squeezes it all just perfect. This would make an amazing tool for your home recovery, or you can give it as a gift.